So we have Firefly G7 ZBook. It's a 10 gen and we have got about 16 gigs, and we have one of the slots empty, and the speed is 2667, and we got ourselves 16 gigs of RAM. So we're going to replace that. I know I am lazy and I'm using that. Don't be lazy like myself. Okay, so we have the battery, we need to disconnect. Right, so that's disconnected. And we need to pry it up. So this is where the memory is, even though you don't need this, but anyway. So this is what we have. Oh, it's 32, and this one is not. Oh well, you need to find exactly the same matching one. Don't do what I do, but you gotta find yourself exactly the same. And let's see if it's compatible. Put it back. All right. See, I am lazy. Okay. All right. When you put it back, it's a bit tricky. Make sure these clips goes first, and then you can do that. Otherwise, you're gonna see a little space in the bottom. All right, that one is done, and I am going to get an error. Come on, don't be that slow. Alright, so we got an error. Memory is changed, yes I know. Yeah, ideally you want to make sure it's exactly the same size. Now, one of them is not the same size. So, yeah, I thought it was. Hey, what the hell. Let's see how it goes. Well, it pays to be not lazy, and I'm not getting paid enough. So I'm being lazy, and I use different sizes memory. It's a nice laptop, and as you saw, it's got a lot of space. I am not sure, I don't think it does, but some of the model has got extra 2 slot underneath the keyboard, but in this model it doesn't, because I checked it on the BIOS. It's got only 2 slots, which one of them is taken, and still has 2 slots for what? TXIAG, yeah, okay. 2 slots for the NVMe SSD. Yeah, so you have 32 gig, which is nice. And this particular model has 512 GB SSD as well, and you can put yourself extra SSD if you want to. So this model is pretty upgradable, and it comes with full gigs graphics as well, so they're pretty fast. So let me see how can I push it. All right. Task manager. Alright, memory. Okay, so I know it sounds stupid, but let me see how far can I push it. Okay, yep, 20%. I think this should. You're not gonna close. Whoa. Okay. Alright. Adios, guys.